Welcome to the world of financial freedom. Financial Freedom Mastery. Get instant access to programs that provides essential insights for new work from home, side hustles. Learn about investment vehicles, the potential of e-business, and e-marketing. Whether you're looking how to get paid to do simple live chat jobs online, how to work remotely and upload pre-made TikTok content for a living, how to make money by posting stories on Instagram, for a YouTube unboxing job that will make you $190 per day, for an opportunity to make $850 per week just by watching movies on Netflix, for the best way to get paid to listen to music, how to get paid $30 per photo you take, how to make huge money with totally automated Forex and crypto robots, and so much more. Financial Freedom Mastery has got you covered. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock your financial potential. Click the link below this video and get started immediately.